welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I feel like I haven't been on here in forever. I have so many videos I have to upload for you guys yet, and they're just sitting in my phone, guys. It's just I've been so busy. But anyways, we are going to be making these like lip scrub sticker labels. I mean, you can pretty much make these any way you want, any size you want, any size circle, any size square. And don't mind Journey, you guys. Of course, the video wouldn't be a video without Journey in the background. But yeah, guys, so let's get into this video. So right here, I did take a picture of the flavor she wanted just so I can remember myself. But pretty much, I just go onto Google and I look up like grape clip art or whatever fruit I do want or whatever object I want. I just look up that name and then clip art afterwards, and then pretty much I try and find one with a transparent background because then you can't see the white background behind it, and a lot of pictures already have it where there's not. And so if they don't have a transparent background, you go to remove background or remove dot background, and then it's a website, and pretty much you upload the picture. I believe I do it in this screen recording here. But you pretty much upload the picture and then you just click on the background you want deleted and then it takes it away, which it is awesome and it's so easy and it's free. I love that. I use it all the time for this. Pretty much I am just going to keep going back and forth, making sure what kind of flavor she wants and looking it up onto Google, and then I'm finding the clip art I want for it. I just pretty much find the best one I think looks best to me, like that I would want for my, lip scrub. But yes, I do sell these on my Etsy. If this seems too complicated to do or like a lot of work, I do sell these, and I only do, I think, 33 cents a sticker. Super cheap. But or if you know somebody that would like some of these, I do sell these on my Etsy. I will link it in my description box below. But yeah, this is how I make it. And this is right here. This is what I was talking about before, the remove background. So I went to remove.bg and then I uploaded this cinnamon roll because it wasn't transparent. And it just removed the background for me. And then I downloaded it and I just saved it to my phone. So if I find any more that has no transparent background, that's what I do for those. I'm going to open up Pixar. I only use this for one thing. One sec, I got to see what I'm doing here. Pretty much, I just click on a regular white background that they, supply you with. And then I just crop it to a circle. And then I take off the border. And then I just save that. That's literally all I do on Pixar. And then I upload that into Fonto. And then I just add in each individual image I want. And then this girl, she wanted strawberry kiwi. So I pretty much made my own strawberry kiwi because I didn't like the pictures Google had. So I just made my own. Pretty much I just moved the picture the way I wanted to make it look like I did find it on Google. But once I'm done adding in the strawberries here, I am going to add text. And when I add text, I'm just going to do the flavor she wanted. Some people may want like the fluid ounces that the container holds. I mean, you can do pretty much whatever you want. But yeah, right here, I'm just putting in the name that she wanted. And then I do give it a little like stroke that matches like the color of the picture I have. Just so it like ties in together. And then I just make it a little smaller. And then I want to center it, and I want it at the bottom of the circle. So then, I don't know, that's how I've always had my layouts. And then right here, I just keep deleting the pictures, and then I add in a new one. So therefore, I'm just using the same circle over and over again. I'm not restarting my project. And then at the bottom there, I put coconut in. And then I also make it have like a little background, which I think green looks fine with this because it matches the photo. So now I open up my Cricut design space, and then I'm just going to upload each of these images like so. And I save them as a print and cut, so then it does print the picture and then it cuts a circle for me. And you're going to notice it doesn't make the image like have a circle behind it, but when you do the white background on the pixar, it makes it a lot brighter when you upload it into Cricut design space. That's why I do that. But now once I have all my images uploaded, I pretty much just am going through all of my pictures that I have saved, because some of the flavors she asked for I already had from a previous order. So pretty much I just put them into the design space, and I select every picture and I make it 1 inch. And when I put 1 inch in, it automatically makes the height 1 inch since it's like a square. So once I'm done making these 1 inch all the way around, I will show you how I make them a circle. Have all these 1 inch all around. I just want to make sure I had all the flavors. And now I'm going to add a shape. I'm going to make that 1 inch circle, and then I'm going to place it over each flavor individually, and then I'm going to select that all right there. See how I messed that up? I want to make sure it's in the middle of it, and then I'm going to select that all, like the gray part, and then the circle or whatever flavor I'm doing. I select it, and then I hit slice. So therefore it cuts the circle. So then therefore you have a circular 1 inch in diameter circle to put onto your lip scrubs. So I just keep doing this for all the flavors. It's really easy and you'll get the hang of it. And slicing pretty much is like cropping. I say that in all my videos. Pretty much slicing is cropping the image. It's just you have to make this, the shape or whatever you want. So yeah, just keep doing this until they're all done. Done doing all that, I'm going to make it, and then I'm going to make however copies I want of each circle. On the other right here, I can make like project copies 5, and then it'll do 5 of each circle, if that makes sense. So pretty much I'm just doing that, and my Cricut was taking forever, and my Wi-Fi was messed up here. But yeah, pretty much I just did that, and then it let me start cutting it, and I will show that in the next slide here. And this is the type of paper I use. It is a matte sticker paper. It is water resistant. I've actually tested this out, and it is water resistant. But pretty much you want to make sure like the sticker side is face down. Well, at least with my printer, that's how it is. I just stick it in, and then it'll print like so. Now that it is done printing, I'm going to go back. Now this is the cutting part of the print and cut method. You're going to select the material, and I clicked on the printable sticker paper, the white one. So now I'm just going to put the mat into the Cricut, and don't mind my Cricut, it's a little messy, guys. But yeah, pretty much you just insert it, and then you hit the Cricut, and right here it's just scanning it. It's like, that's the way the Cricut knows where to cut and all that stuff. It's scanning the box and all that good stuff to cut the perfect circles. Right here, I'm just showing you how it is cutting it. It is cutting them in perfect circles, which is awesome, so you don't have to do it yourself. And yeah, that's pretty much what the machine does for you, which is, I love it. I love the Cricut. It's a little hard to show because I don't have my tripod, but pretty much I'm peeling this off right here just so I have these stickers like this right here, and then I can cut them in little squares with about 12, you know, on each little sheet, or however many you want to do, whatever you prefer, however you want to sell it. But then I put it in little holographic bags, and that's how I sell it on my Etsy shop. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if this is helpful, please let me know. If you want me to show you how to make like bigger circles or squares for like other products, Journey is calling for a cat. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.